Okay, what I'm gonna eat today? Let me see. Where is it? Some little bro brought me this. What is this? Chicken liver spread. Halal. What am I gonna do with it? Is it still good? Let me see. Yep. I'm gonna do something with this. What do I need? Oh yeah, some paprika. What else? Some tomato. Yep. You go in. What is this? Yeah, we're gonna do something like this. Okay. And what else? Cheese. Yeah, why not? Where is it? Not this one, the other one. Not this cheese. Where's the other cheese? The cheddar cheese. Yeah, this one. And what else? Some olive. Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna freestyle something. All right. Wait a minute. I need something. Onions. Okay. We got the liver spread, tomato, paprika. Some. Yep. Onion and bread. Let's all go into the bread. But how? Oh yeah. Let's see. Oh yeah. Like this. Like I said, I really don't know what I'm doing. Am I gonna cook this together? Can we cook this together? Let me see. Salt. I'm gonna cook this. Salt. Yeah. I'm gonna cook this together, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna cook this. Alright, I'm gonna open this up. What the hell is that? What is that? What is that? Dog food. What is this? Liver spread. Let's go. Come on. Come. What is that يا صاحبي؟ عارف serieus. بالله. Okay, no problem. Just throw it in. No. What the hell is that? What is that? Leverpastei. Wat de hel moet ik met leverpastei? Nu drink ik me pas door. I'm gonna make my own liver spread. Conversion. Now I see what it is. Because the brain fog and the health don't make you think. Asa, baby, my mama. What the hell is that? I mean, I know what it is, but shit. Okay. Still gonna push it through. Never mind. Still gonna do what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Since it's chicken, I'm gonna put some chicken herbs, spice, blah. Cover it in with the spice and some salt. Yeah, I can smell it. Shimmy. I'm gonna throw it around, right? صورة يا صاحبي، صورة كمان. هوبا هوبا. Sound good. I don't like to eat meat at a cannon. It's not my style of eating. But since I got it, I'm gonna use it. Hoppa. To me, this is really cat food, dog food. Let me see. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, let it like this. In my back, let me see. Gonna throw some olives. Yep. Oh, what is this? This is sticky fingers. Yeah, why not? Sometimes you need to go crazy. Some of this how do you say that again? Mental burrito. Got brain fog. I didn't forget it. It's in my brain, but it won't come out my mouth. What is this? Come off it, man. And then like this. Yeah, alright. Belated back process. Right. Let me see. Cook. It dried it all out. Where's the vegetables? Where's the onion? Oh my god. Oh my love. This liver. A little bit of. Whoa. Let me see how it tastes. Tastes. Well, never mind. How do you make this? Never mind. A little bit of curcuma. Seems that. Man. Some cheddar cheese. Babies. Throw it all in. Like I said, I really don't know how to make it. But I hope I'm not disappointing myself. Alright? Oh my god. Dit is cool. It's very strange. It's not hot, my whole. Some olive, why not? Oh, unit. Oh my god, this is so dry. Dry. Quick, sure. Look at this. It's not there. It's like a moras. Boy, it's strong. Man. You can only eat this if you're in war. But nevertheless, I wouldn't eat this. What do I do with it? Never mind. Oh, I'm supposed to do it in this bread, but the taste is very strong. I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to do this for the taste. Yeah, come on, mate. Come on, you bloody cunt. All right. Yeah. I hate this. I hate you, my bro. Why you giving me this? Why? Tell him this, my bro. Ugh. I don't like this. If it's not fresh, I don't like liver like this. But never mind. What is this? Some garlic. Yeah, garlic. That's what I'm looking for. Garlic. And now, oh, wat is dit, man? Niks uit is dit. Zo duur. Niks uit, man. Still full. Nothing come out. The inflation is high, but the garlic is like bye-bye. You know. It's like me when I'm shitting. Won't come out. Won't come out. Keep pressing. All right, back. All right, let. I'm gonna do it like this. Hoppa. Yeah. Astaghfirullah. Hoppa. Yummy. I see a little bit of tomato. Hey, I forgot about the paprika. I really forgot about paprika. What is this? I see some, what is this? Onion. But I think it's gonna work. It's gonna do something. Because the smell is strong. Oh yeah. Alright. It's protein. It's all about protein. Protein. Power Rangers. Oh, where? Oh, Hamid. Listen, how's this? Okay. Listen now. Man. Tell me, what is this man? Show it over there. Show it over there, mate. It's full. It's full. This country is full. Don't you see? It's very full. It's enough. Hoppa. It's enough. Boy, that's how you do immigration. Whoa. It's full. Whoa. Where you go? Whoa. It's full. All right. It's very full. All right. Let's see this. Uh-oh. Oh, well, you're opening and doing us happy. Just press to impress. It's full. This country is full. Work. Jongen. Oh, well, no, man. No, monsieur. Go back. It's full. Scheiße. Get. Look at this. Ah, dat is echt goor. Dan alsnog. Oh. Oh, well, this is not what I thought it's supposed to be. Well, to be honest, it was a surprise for myself. I really didn't know what it was till I saw it and was like, hey, what is this? And I tasted it and was like, isn't that, oh, well, this smells strong, man. All right. So, yeah, this is the result. Délicatesse. Mon ami, the French. All right. The cuisine. All right. The question is, can I eat it? Is it tasty? Yeah, with a mojito, it is tasty. Not bad.